aware, illicit alcohol, second generation alcohol, and drugs have become a menace in this country, and as a result, armed through unscrupulous business persons, a number of citizens have lost their lives. To that end, the government issued a directive to ensure that we clean up our areas of jurisdiction of illicit alcohol, second generation alcohol, drugs, that is bangi and other related drugs that are being abused by members of the community. As security enforcement agencies, we are not going to relent on this fight. I have given clear directions because I identified some officers, and I want to repeat, we have identified some officers, law enforcement officers in Garissa County who are owning bars, and I want to tell them they either resign today or we catch up with them. We have lost over 53 non-compliant pharmaceuticals and chemists in the region. And we have been able to destroy over 500 liters of illicit brews in this region.
Tugethi na mbere riu ni ati na